welcome to my channel. Before we get started, I have something really important to say. I am truly thankful and truly humbled that over 100 of you choose to subscribe to my little fledgling channel. I so appreciate everything. Your viewership, your participation, the comments, just you taking time out of you have 1,003 things to do, but the fact that you include my videos in your day really means a lot. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so far we have done some really great videos with wigs from Outre, from Bobbi Boss, and it dawned on me that we haven't done anything with Sensationnel. When you're talking those three brands, you've pretty much rounded out my three favorite wig brands. So today we're going to do something with Sensationnel, and when I think about their wigs, I must say I am really in love with their Dashley line. Now y'all know how I feel about wear and go, but I don't want it to look wear and go. And I have thus far had some pretty good success with Dashley wigs. As a matter of fact, my first one I believe was Unit 10, and I'm going to put a link in the description box to a TikTok video that I did with that unit. TikTok video is about a minute long, so it won't take long to view, but just to show you the ease of that unit. What's really great with Dashley is it's the fast fashion meets hairline. These are your wearable styles that go with everything. Easy install. You just walk out of the house looking like, You know I'm all for that. So today we're going to try on Lace Unit 8. And I will admit, Lace Unit 8 has been around for a little while, but I just really want to share this part or this division of the Sensationnel line with you because I just think Dashley units are really, really nice. I purchased mine in 1B. It comes in a variety of different colors and some really nice special colors. I have the stock card here, and I'm sorry, I'm just getting kind of a glare off of this, but if you want to see it more in depth, please go online. So Dashley claims to have the HD lace that keeps them guessing. She is a deep center part with baby hair. She is heat safe to 350 to 400 degrees. She has ear-to-ear soft lace, an essential addition to your wig stash, so they say. Made with heat-resistant fiber, available in fashion-forward colors. Dress it up or dress it down. And here she is in 1B, and you can see she has some length to her. Oh, she's gonna be fun. That part is full of awesomeness. That is a part. Got some tinted lace here, but of course I'm gonna have to darken that. Look at those lovely baby hairs, guys. Ample, so you're gonna have plenty of room to cut them or do with them as you please. I absolutely adore the wave and the curl to her. Simply beautiful. Hair is soft. It's not as silky, and I think I really like this. It's a nice little blend between the silky and the yucky. I feel some texture in her, and I really appreciate that, but nice density on her also. Okay, let's go ahead and prep her and install, and we'll get some final thoughts on the other side. Okay, guys, let's see what we're working with here. I'm going to move back a ways so that you can really see. And I think I'm just in love with her already. She is just beautiful. That install was really nice and easy. As a matter of fact, I had a little extra time. I could actually play with some baby hairs. So we just put a few right there up in the front. And again, I love the density on her. She is very nice. And the cap, I gotta say, very comfortable. I'm absolutely loving the way the cap feels. And my head measures a 23. But it's very, very comfy. They're nice and soft, and these waves are just very, very nice. And again, I like the texture of this unit too, guys. It's not silky soft. I've had silkier. It has a little body to it, a little substance to it that I like very, very much. Okay, so I think I found my second other favorite Dashley unit. And if you haven't tried a Dashley unit, you need to get going. Because it really is, what's it say, fast fashion meets hair. This style you could just wear anytime. This is like the perfect, I mean, if you're into this kind of style and this kind of length, this is just, which I am, it's just the perfect style to wear every day. And the install quick and easy. Love it. Again, guys, in the description box, I'll have that video, TikTok video. Please look at the other Dashley unit that I have. And I think I'll be reviewing another Dashley coming up in the near future. So again, tell me what you think. I really appreciate what you have to say. I just love her. I absolutely love her. And she comes in these other colors with the highlights on them. And I like that color. So we may be doing that one next. I don't think hubby heard me, but we might be doing this one. We might be getting this color next. Thanks again for joining me. Always appreciate it. Thank you again for reaching that little milestone of 100 subscribers. Looking forward to the next 100. Guys, stay blessed on today. Stay blessed.